trying to get my life, y'all. This keto broccoli cheese casserole is everything. You don't even miss the rice or the carbohydrates. You don't miss them. It is so good. This rib, y'all. I baked these ribs. Yep. Oh, it's hot. Y'all, so yeah. I am on my keto journey. My 30-day keto journey. I started January 14th. And it's easier than what I thought. It's not as hard as what I thought it was going to be. Just be disciplined and get it done. I was so tired of being so damn fat. Hey, everybody. What's up, my Texas teas? It's your girl Trika, and I am back with another mukbang. Guys, I know it's been a while. It's been a long journey. My head is cut off. It's okay. I'm still here. I'm filming. I am back. I missed y'all. I really did. Today I'm coming with a keto-friendly meal, guys, because I've been on this keto journey now for 15 days, and I've lost 7 pounds. So yes, chop it up for your girl. Yes. So today I bring you, I baked some ribs. I have keto broccoli and cheese, and I have a mixed, well, it's tomatoes and cucumbers mixture with some spice in it. And of course I have my faithful jalapeno. Guys, it's good to see you all. I'm gonna say my prayers and I'm gonna dig in. Amen. How y'all doing? I missed y'all. I'm trying to get my life, y'all. This keto broccoli cheese casserole is everything. You don't even miss the rice or the carbohydrates. You don't miss them. It is so good. This rib, y'all. I baked these ribs. Yep. Oh, it's hot. Y'all, so yeah. I am on my keto journey. My 30-day keto journey. I started January 14th. And it's easier than what I thought. It's not as hard as what I thought it was going to be. Just be disciplined and get it done. I was so tired of being so damn fat. I have basically taken all of the carbs out of my diet. I drink a glass of wine here and there. Excuse me. And some foods may have 1 or 2 carbs, but for the most part, I keep my carbs under 20 grams. I really do. You can basically eat what you want to eat, minus the carbs. That broccoli and cheese is delicious. I'm gonna start doing videos of how I make my food. And not to mention, I do intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting, I think that's what it's called. For me, I fast 20 hours. And I eat between a 4-hour window. I eat between 5 and 9. So I have to make sure when I eat my meal that it's wealthy enough to sustain me until 5 o'clock tomorrow. Because I can only eat between 5 and 9. And it's been working. I have a lot of more weight in my gun belt. Meaning a lot of less weight in my gun belt. Here's these cucumbers and tomatoes. A lot of less weight. I can sleep better. Ooh, y'all want a bite of that rib? Go ahead and get y'all a bite. Go ahead, get your bite. And there is a excuse me, a keto barbecue sauce. I have the recipe, I just didn't want to deal with it. So again, I fast. I eat between 5 and 9. And I fast for 20 hours. I didn't put my phone on airplane mode and my husband called me. Yeah. It's not hard. It's not hard. And you know why you're fasting? You're burning good fat. You just have to remember to eat good fats. Take all those carbs out your diet. I love rice and pasta, but I don't miss it, y'all, for real. Once I start seeing the weight come off, I don't miss it. I really don't miss it. So what y'all been up to? What y'all doing? I haven't chatted with y'all for a while. In the salad I have red peppers and red onions, cucumbers, fresh parsley. Believe it or not, I don't even want my jalapeno. My stomach has adapted to fasting so much. I can't even eat a lot. And that's the key to keto. Intermittent fasting, meats, healthy butters, and vegetables. I don't really crave anything sweet, but lately I've been craving ice cream. So tomorrow I'm gonna bring to you guys a keto-friendly avocado ice cream. Yeah, you heard me. Avocado ice cream. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. This broccoli and cheese is not missing a beat, y'all. Keto-friendly broccoli and cheese. It ain't missing a beat. Me, honestly, I didn't think it was possible. Look at them vegetables. Oh. But it is possible. Y'all sleep better. I already started feeling better. And as you see, the foods are good. The foods look really, really good. But yeah, your girl gonna start coming to y'all with more of this. It's crazy, I'm already full. Well, I hope I got enough footage because I'm full. And what I've learned is when you're full, stop eating. So, this is your girl, Trika, aka Texas Tea, signing off saying be good to yourself, because if you're not good to yourself, you can't be good to anybody else. Love your family. Love your friends. Make up with those that you've been beefing with, because at the end of the day, life is too damn short. I love you all. If you're new to my channel, hey, how you doing? Thank you for subscribing. Welcome to the Texas Tea family. If you are returning Texas Tea, thank you so much for being here. Guys, I need for you all to go ahead and hit that like button. Y'all never hit that like button. Right now. Right now. Hit that like button and let me know that you was here to support your girl. Please do that. So again, this is Trika, aka Texas Tea, signing off, saying deuces. Bye.